This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight into system controls. Next, go to Accounts and then Sign-in options so you see all authentication methods. Once done, find Windows Hello PIN under the Security section. This is where PIN settings live. Make sure you're signed in with the account whose PIN you want to change, because local and Microsoft accounts show different options. If prompted, verify your identity using your current password before you proceed to the PIN controls. You'll see a Change button next to the PIN entry. Click it to begin. When prompted, verify using your current password or existing PIN so Windows confirms it's really you. Then type your new PIN, follow any complexity rules shown on screen, and re-enter it to confirm. This prevents typos. After you press Save, Windows commits the new PIN to your account. Make sure the new PIN meets minimum length and digit/character requirements, because failures usually stem from policy restrictions. Once the PIN change completes, sign out and sign back in to test it immediately so you don't get locked out later. If verification failed during change, use the Reset PIN option or Account Recovery flow to regain access. That requires account credentials or secondary verification. If issues persist, make sure Windows is updated and your TPM is enabled in device security. Many PIN errors come from TPM conflicts. If nothing helps, temporarily switch to password sign-in and contact support with error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.